Hey Tom, how are you today?
I'm good, Emma. A little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm great. I had a big cup of coffee, so I'm full of energy.
Nice. So, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about learning English, how to make it fun and easy.
Ah, perfect. That's something I need too. My English still needs work.
Come on, Tom. Your English is great.
Thanks, but sometimes I forget words. I want to speak faster, like a native.
Yeah, that's normal. The best way is to practice a little every day.
I agree. I usually watch YouTube videos or listen to podcasts.
That's great. Do you use subtitles?
Sometimes I start with subtitles, but later I try without them.
That's the best method. I also read English books or short stories.
Really, that sounds difficult.
It was at first, but now it's easier. The key is not to stop.
Yeah, consistency is everything.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
So, do you think watching movies helps too?
Of course, especially if you repeat lines out loud.
Oh, like shadowing?
Yes, you listen and speak at the same time. It's great for pronunciation.
That's a good tip. I'll try it.
Awesome. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yeah, mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. If you never make mistakes, you never learn.
You're right, Emma. I think I'll speak English more, even with mistakes.
That's the spirit. Take your time and enjoy the process.
Thanks, Emma. Talking with you always helps me feel confident.
Oh, thank you, Tom. You're improving a lot.
Thanks. Okay, I think that's all for today.
Yep, don't forget to subscribe and keep learning with us.